welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I am going to be doing this going back to school look. I have been seeing all these makeup artists, you know, doing these going back to school looks, but nobody has really spiced up the game on the eyeshadow. Everybody's been doing, you know, like the simple looks, and I get that. A lot of you girls do like those simple looks, and I do too. But I remember whenever I was going back to school, I always wanted to look glam. Like, I wanted to look good. I wanted my makeup to look good. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this going back to school look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first color I will be taking is this light brown, and this one's in the palette Slayette from BeBella Cosmetics, and that's gonna be my transitioning color. I'm going for like a not too over exaggerated look, but at the same time you gotta spice it up. Why do you want to be boring? So you want to apply this right here on your brow bone. And my second color I will be taking is this one. This palette is so pigmented, but it does have a lot of fallout, but it's like so pretty. And you just want to apply this right under that shade that we just applied. And then I will be applying this dark brown all over my lid. Once I have buffed it out, I will be taking this side of my brush. If you guys can see, it's more like of an oval flat brush. And then I'll just go back in and just apply it right here. I don't want to mess with anything up here anymore because that's blended already. But I want that pigmentation a lot more here in the center. So I'm just tapping. And then I will be taking this shade from Alamarcosmetics palette. I believe we received this in our BoxyCharm. And this shade is called El Malecon. So that one will be going on top, at the very top, just to highlight my brow bone. Look how pigmented this color is. Oh my god. So beautiful. Damn. Going back with my normal brush that I was using, I'm just blending it out together, or buffing it together I should say. For right now I'm going to go ahead and start on my face. The only thing that I need to do to my eyes is apply my eyelashes, so I think I'll do that at the very end. So right now I will be starting with my face, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime it first. And I will be using the coverfx primer. So for my foundation I will be using the Revlon photofix stick, and this one's in the shade 160 medium beige. This one I've used it in my previous videos, and it's really good because it's really lightweight, so it pretty much seems like you're not wearing no foundation, but it still covers up what needs to be covered. Going in with my Y7 Morphe brush. I seriously love this brush. Like, oh, it just makes my skin look so pretty. Okay, so I don't want anything too exaggerated for my under eyes, so I will be using the Makeup Revolution C7. This one's more of my skin tone. And then I'll just be setting it with my marykay foundation as always. Usually I like to contour the shit out of my face, but not today. I'm just going to bronze up with my Hoola bronzer from Cosmetics. The highlight that I will be using today is this eyeshadow from Alamarcosmetics. The one that I used. I've been hearing that it's really, really good. as a highlighter as well, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. Oh yeah. In my inner corner. For my lips, I will be just using this lip liner from NYX Cosmetics, and this one's in the shade Brooklyn Thorn, and then I'll be using the Lacolors Clear Lip Gloss. Okay, so now the very last step, I will be applying a little bit of this brown shadow right under my waterline. As you guys can see, my eyelashes are super exaggerated, but that's just me. I know there has to be some of you that like exaggerated things as well. Okay, so we are all done with this makeup look. I hope you guys loved it, and if you guys did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. So I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!